Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Jimmy in the TaxQuips Forum with a distressing problem. He says, I received a notice from the State of Ohio Tax Bureau telling me I owe a large sum of taxes for 2004 and 2005. Now, I know that my taxes are taken directly out of my paycheck by my employer, and I know that I paid my taxes for those years. However, I filed on my own and can't find copies of those returns. The state of Ohio sent this to a collector who sent me a notice saying I had 60 days to pay the past due taxes. I've had little success in getting anyone to return my calls. I finally spoke to a person at the collection law firm who said they would check and get back to me, thinking maybe the state lost my returns. But, of course, nobody's called me back. I went to the federal tax site and researched how to get my W-2s from those years, and it's going to cost me several $100s per W-2. Ouch! My question is this: how can I remedy this in the least costly way? Short of paying a tax attorney for help, is there a way for the little guy to prove he paid his fair taxes? Well, Jimmy, I've got good news for you. It shouldn't cost you a fortune to get your W-2s. You only need copies of 2 years' tax returns with the W-2s. That's 2004 and 2005. It will cost you $57 per year to get those copies. You will use Form 4506. That's $114 total. That's it. Transcripts of the W-2s would have been free. Unfortunately, they don't include the state information you need. Since it's so long ago, it may take several weeks to get those copies. So ask the collection folks to put the collection actions on hold until you can prove that you don't owe this money. Incidentally, the state of Ohio has a problem resolution office. Give them a call and get their help on this. It's free. See? This is why I always tell people never to throw out your tax returns. Always keep a copy of all the returns, and it's usually the states that do this to you. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about missing tax return copies and W-2s and other tax issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.